Kublish bunai pibro session part dan nomor ba kipun bah kiba kelima shaphang kene exam Mpsc kiwan question kumno syllabus kumno terter te haune wanai ar tarik kandan exam jong ke LDA te nagamta katu namta kitu kumna de first time dengan shupin kene question paper ringkat bat ki answer berenge nganom software kidon ki jingken aptitude nganom software dengan shu awitang ki answer bede jong ne tingin pe kene ka question paper ka barem kene kade jong ka exam jong ka LDA in Meghalaya Public Service Commission Mpsc usnam arjar apply exam kade arjar sa te kene ka series number 1 te second mau ba da pule ba question booklet te kan mau kat kum yu kini ki Mpsc baro ada de jong LDA ne de jong kino ro ki bahap po Mpsc majority ki de bi kumju ba kan de ka general English general awareness but aptitude te gidon ki subject badai ki badai jong science background badai gidon no ka arithmetic tanggatai ndre gitu ki ba baro gidon bi kumju hi general English general awareness and aptitude ba majority ki long bi kumne hi baro mdon jing ferre kamdon re kata la ka jong jing ai kati kumju ba kindon be chispa san pho tali question arma kawai tek mod ba pat a nyup san tali question long chispa san pho pat b nyup san long chispa san pho long lai spa mark don negative marking wa te yele kat bala ban pendap baro kapor ki ai ar kan tas tang ban pendap or question ar compulsory don negative marking ra shito marshit penyong ba yang tu answer ka badai bar ka bala teng ne pe shwamda general English marks shispa san pho nyop san tli question ngamut ba ar mark koi te gidon ki bakali mo ki ong ba katno cut off mo da adap to exam katno cut off jong Mpsc teman kapor kim ju yatu reme kata cut off kam judon te kata cut off tang ba naka totalize pa mark kasyong kat kum ki porma la da question ka easy kemut ba phiapan cross be ka ars pa san pho mark ban poi ka personal interview telada ka question ka hard pa de kumno phiapan cross ka ars pa mark te don chance ban poi ka personal interview te kalong bi kumta te beno man bakin bu bi ka fix cut off mark kam judon re te mla are ban tip ka shong bi kat kum ki por ma question jidon por ka basuk dan por ba te mla are ban lupa te don teng por his pa propose pesan phoru karang de cut off te depend be ya ka por kat kum ki por question mat inong ta exam ki ba don ki por ki ba trim mat non ki por ki ba duna tungin page ka general English question number 1 1 to 30 choose the correct option choose ba yi ki ba dai ma te kan ne kan yarap lang yu ki exam kamro umde retang LDA na Mpsc DSC ro ki yarap hi tama kan Mpsc kala kham ndiat mar ki ne kala de graduate ta number 1 hippopotamus loves to wallow in dash mud correct answer hangne kade love to wallow in the mud kade number B is the correct answer. The love to wallow in the mud. Should be a correct option. The number 2. The principal welcome the students dash the school. Have choose be bade yang te. The correct answer. The principal welcome the student to the school. C. Correct answer is C. Hang ne ngan ai betang correct answer. Batam te sa page mafi. Number 3. I love having dash X for breakfast an egram de tengan de number D zero article number 4 I have dash of things on my mind I have a lot of things on my mind B is the correct answer. Number 5 the member of the choir dash every Saturday the members of the choir meet every Saturday. So correct answer is B, meet every Saturday. And number 6. The Aryans are dash European stock. The Aryans are of European stock. A is the correct answer. John was dash at the surprising turn of event. John was amazed at the surprising turn of event. B is the correct answer. Number 8. Such a gruesome dash never happened in the locality before. Such a gruesome event has never happened. C is the correct answer. And 9. Cleopatra was said to be an dash beauty in her time. Cleopatra was said to be an unparalleled beauty in her time, incomparable, outstanding, unmatched. Okay, B is the correct answer, unparalleled beauty in her time. 9. B is the correct answer. The delegates, number 10, dash since morning to meet the CEO. The delegates were waiting since morning to meet the CEO. C is the correct answer. Kini pihak choose bet the pihak don kaman pule kum gini ro but don ro kibal adep nang lupa don lupa ka knowledge ndu ki kelas kibaret te don lupa ka common sense sakli te kila la bet te lada ki bompat ki baduna English te ki habanda pen krep bahas pangine. 11. The divers dive the sea to locate the ship. The divers dive deep into the sea. C is the correct answer. By the time the concert ended, the children already asleep. By the time the concert ended, the children were already asleep. B is the correct answer. 13. Despite the judge was moved to pity. Despite his hardness. C is the correct answer. 14. The girl cheered when the team scored a goal. Cheered loudly. B is the correct answer. 15. You understood the question, haven't you? Haven't you? A is the correct answer. Now A is the correct answer. Haven't you? Kini gimut ba ikiba biang English gini kamsuk hi ikiba kam tuna English tegi happen krab ha. 16. Neither of the candidate dash for the debate. Show up for the debate. B. Dash and lodging are available here. Food and lodging. There is fooding and lodging. Food and lodging. Food and lodging are available here. 18. Walking dash the best way to stay fit. Walking is the best way to stay fit. 18. D. 19. Because of global warming, the climate has changed a lot. 19. C. Has changed a lot. 20. Democracy without freedom is meaningless. 20. A. Meaningless. Second more on the page. 21. He was so passionate about the job, he was like dash. And in 26, he was like B, a man on a mission. And he was so passionate about the job, he was like a man on a mission. 22, who dashed to apply for the post of treasurer? Who want to apply for the post of treasurer? And who? D is the correct answer. Wants. Who wants to apply for the post of treasurer? 23. We can eat in the cafe dash order a takeout. We can eat in the cafe or we can order a takeout. 24. She succeeded dash everyone failed. A is the correct answer. She succeeded where everyone failed. 25. Can you dash me into the post office? Can you see me? Can you direct me? Can you whip me? Can you find me? 25. Can you see me to the post office? Can you direct? Okay. B. Can you direct me to the post office? 25. 26. She could not convince the jury dash her pleas, despite her pleas. Please don't walk dash the grass. Please don't walk over the grass, on the grass, about the grass, in the grass. Please don't walk on the grass. It is be on the grass. Vậy mà cái này apply common sense đấy. Ya, kadao bun kiba sudah. 28. Good heavens, how time dash. Fly has flown, fly flew. Okay. A. Flies. Good heaven, how time flies. 29. Her job comes with a dash pay package. With a hefty pay package. Nice. Okay. Hefty pay package. 30. James was already in bed when I was with him last night. When I called him last night. 30. A. When I called him last night. A mà call him last night. 30A. Call him last night. Tang ne la long line rupo mark kadao phaban puli ba English rupo mark. Line rupo mark section 1. Kibala sa English la yo line rupo mark. Section 2 kan mau don negative marking ra. Direction kena kita panggil direction. Choose the correct sentences. Kena direct and show I will direct key correct answer. The bulldozer made a humming noise. The noise irritated people nearby. They complain about the irritated bulldozer. Te hang ne kita yang the first time hang ne lai tali option. Te phiaban jied pada kano ke bas long day ne kini lai tali ki option ke beladap ai hang ne. Suang ne 1 and 2 nak lai tali kini ladap ai kano kini ke batai. 1 and 2 ne 2 and 3 ne 1 and 2 ne 1 2 and 3 ne ki long ki batai ki ba long ki correct sentences kai. Te hang ne bade correct sentences. The bulldozer made a humming bees. The noise irritated people nearby. They complain about the irritated bulldozer. Te hang ne une number 3 de shu une complain nang ne la bakla te complain. Te kan de kasi 1 and 2. The bulldozer made a humming noise. The noise irritated people nearby. Okay, tu kena number C is the correct option. Kini takadau ki kham kalan kham simpor bhag kini question 32. The guests were treated to a lavish meal. They ate until they were full. That dinner party was talked about for a long time. 32. Correct answer is D. Sapej bah pulih bah. Correct answer is D. Finish I direct quick answer. 33. Ram was known for his eloquence. Ram was invited to speak in the meeting. At the last minute, he had to cancel the program. The correct answer is number A. Sapule bah kadai ne kelai. Like so. The airplane glided smooth in the blue sky. The passenger leaned back in the seat. It was such a comfortable flight. The correct answer is B. 2 and 3. 35. John is such a good swimmer. He could swim in any sea. He once swam in the English Channel. The correct answer is C. 1 and 3. 36. Isn't he the principal of the school? I heard that he is a man of integrity. He combines strictness with approachability. 36. Correct answer is D. 1, 2, and 3. All are correct in the direction. 37. Can you do me a favor? Can you favor me? Can you do me this favor, please? 37. Correct answer is number B. 1 and 3. Can you favor me? 1 and 3 is the correct answer. 38. He told us a very interesting story. The interesting listener were captivated. Nobody wanted the story to end. Correct answer is C. 1 and 3. 1 kadai 3 nela listeners listeners la bakalang tu. Teng tu pia page sentence kano ko bakala kano ko badai te sa choose na option ko ai pada. Live kandai. How many books do you wish to buy? How many books did she wish to buy? You wish to buy books. How many? Katul abakala number 3 to. A is the correct answer. Nakam sok easy. English nakam easy. The 40. Jim was the monitor in class for 5 years. Jim was the class monitor for 5 years. Jim had been a class monitor for 5 years. Correct answer is number A, 2, and 3. 41. I've never seen a tiger at close range. I've never seen a tiger this close. Never seen a tiger close up. So the correct answer is A, 1 and 2. And 42. She's a famous actress of the yesteryears. She's a famous actress yesterday. She was once a famous actress. Actress yesterday, yesteryears. So the correct answer here, C is the correct answer, 1 and 3. Okay, next 42, 43 and 44. After the harvest, the farmer went to bed happy. The good harvest made the farmer happy. After the harvest, the farmer went happy to bed. Number 3 lah bakal lupa. So the correct answer is B, 1 and 2. Kini donkam ban pule bah kibala nang bah English te ki suk bah kini question kumi kini tak ada orang bah cut off kini kemudian poi be ki arspa sanpo arspa like potion yang baik. The current is too strong to cross. The current is too wide to cross. The current is too powerful to cross. The correct answer is okay. So C is the correct answer, 1 and 3. 44 and 45. Kan jirong bhaga video te page bah do bakut. The sun is too heat today. The sun is too hot today. Maybe number 1 on the show man. The sun is so hot today. Okay, B is the correct answer. Number 1 on the show bakla too heat. Bakla sentenang tu. And 46. Don't you have anything better to do? Okay. Don't you have anything to do with your time? Don't you have anything useful to do? So the correct answer is all are correct. 1, 2, and 3. So D is the correct answer. Then 40 and 47. For heaven's sake, stop wasting your time. For heaven's sake, stop waste time. For heaven's sake, stop wasting time. So the correct answer is C, 1 and 3. Stop waste time, yes. C is the correct answer. Abaklang tu. Kambek senden re, ta sapinyo, sa po pra. She is a strong, confident woman. She exuded confident. Her confidence is admired by many. Maybe number 2 lah wrong man exuded. Ngam la tip ha ngam la day fa ba biang English ta da no meaning exuded. Ngam la tip the maybe number 2 is wrong. So B is the correct answer. B 1 and 3. 49. Which pair of shoes do you prefer? Okay, good. Which pair of shoes do you prefer? Which of these pair do you prefer? So the correct answer is okay. No. A is the correct answer. Which pairs of shoes? The pairs of shoes la bunda. So A is the correct answer. 50. The restaurant opens at all hours. The restaurant open 24/7. The restaurant is opening at all time. At all time. Okay, number 3 is wrong. So A is the correct answer. To adapt to section 2 adapt to section 3. Each of the sentences below contain an underlined phrase from the alternative given below. Choose the correct option that best expresses the meaning of the underline. Kiba first time kan mau ha. Kane pada kemud ba phyapej bitangi kane ka meaning kane ka underline meaning hangne kemud ba the most trusted friend proved to be a snake in the grass. Te phyapej kane ba underline nakine ki meaning hangne kemud ba kumno kamin ka don jingmut kumno bana. A snake in the grass. Tips I nangine lam de traitor his enemy a coward a war monger. So the correct answer ne long ba is a hidden enemy. His most trusted friend proved to be a snake in the grass. Udai ba uri kan. Porlok wa jam ha tamba udon bade proved to be a snake in the grass. Busainya ki plang. Okay, number 52. You cannot have your cake and eat it too. Have your cake and eat it too. Have it both ways. Make the best of a situation. Enjoy without paying. Absolve yourself of guilt. You cannot have your cake and eat it too. What BAROH arbanta kan? Pimla arban you arta. What number A? You cannot have it both ways. What's it two? Okay. So A is the correct answer. Pule bah kini kerja kini tikiwan baik kumne Mpsc kumne BAROH. The cashier wiped the nose of his employer by presenting false bills. Abuse, cheated, slap, doom. The cashier cheated of his employer, abuse of his employer, slap of his employer, doom of his employer. Can I wipe the nose? Ada can I cheated? Correct answer is cheat of his employer. 54. After the death of his father, the son played dog and trick with his inherited property. Dog and trick. Can they spend lavishly? Nda yap kupa penlut pisah kat umon penlut la mnta. 55. After his retirement, Mr. Dev is thinking of resting on his oars. The retirement la perkhat ban un shong sok wei tamun ba resting after hard work. Nda la trish tom ha tu la shubam la ek tu la tre. Okay. 56. Easy to ship is a Canada. From the alternative given below, select one word substitution for a given expression. The hang ne bade ka meaning jong gine gan. Canada page na underline Canada page na ka meaning jong gine e ka ba kham yahap but katei bala ba hanang senten. Easy to ship in desired form kadai a. Portable, versatile, malleable. Malleable is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Very pleasing to eat. Edible, insipid, mouthful, luscious. Kini te hap pule ngarang melatih bahara tenggara I direct by JAIKI answer. 58. One who desire freedom from control, especially government control. The answer is B. Anarchist. meaning of tu ngom ladep bha re takada pule bha kine meaning 59. Beyond all power of destruction of time, the correct answer is C. Imperishable. Beyond all power of destruction of time. Imperishable. 60. Composed of elements highly diverse in character. Heterogeneity. Meaning. Jenjar. Pulikot baham. Tu dem lara. Takadau kiba shulek tang mantho. Baang ban shupas bej. Teka jenjar bah. Teha benada pulikot baham. Direction, the question 6165, section 5. Choose the appropriate synonym of the words printed in bold letter from the option given below. Synonyms, kini one bhag kini te. Synonyms, same words, same meaning. Synonym that is same meaning hi. Ladap ai hene contain punctilious te phiap ai bre ka meaning kini ladap ai ne ka ba ka ju meaning bana. Pisaban pule bha kumine klamban pule phim la ra. The correct answer is punctilious is D. Meticulous. Mendacious. Correct answer is C. Deceitful. 63. Ameliorate. The correct answer is C. Improve. 64. Cursory. Correct answer is A. Casual. 65. Implicate. Correct answer is A. Involve. Ada orang pa wangan I direct way ki answer sakadau ada yang tu. Te section 6 bere untuk nyupsan. Read the following passage and answer a question given below following instruction. Te passage te we have banda pule bha himapi hi. Too many parents these days can say no to this kid as a result they find themselves raising children. Te sapule himapi yang tu laban pos ki shwa kane stop shwa laban pos dalak pos sampai jude dengan yat be direct shaka question tang gitu gibran kam lawan pos bah sampai sapule bah dan sa page jude ya ka question pada. Selfish, they selfless. Okay. The I kane ka passage, police wa kane passage ada pule bade I nakati ka jengklihi kede ka antonym kamut ba synonym de same meaning antonym by de opposite meaning kablong ba ya pair kan tak ada kan selfish kemudian no selfless. 67. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Opposite meaning. Kini ka kumikla police action ban kumine kan mau bat pule ba. And 68. Important, not needed mat. Important, urgent, necessary, trivial. Aban di D, not needed. Correct, not needed. 69. Underestimate. Trivial, exact, overestimate or ada underestimate, overestimate. 70. Decay. Thriving, bad, dying, ada no A. Thriving, 70 A. Thriving margine BAROH de bela yap na bara pot mnta ta kadau tu dah bater English te kya la hi. Then choose the appropriate meaning of the words given below in the specific content of the passage. Choose the appropriate meaning of the words given below. Meaning ye contain bla ayang te bila ada pule ka passage bade bisa la ban page ingin kanero kadena passage hi kanega jingli te bila pule shwa ka passage shajrong pos shwa sa pule then sa answer bade. Breeding place. Correct answer is a formative space. Then pandar. Correct answer is B. Give in to demand. Symptoms. Correct answer is sign. A. 74. Society at large. correct answer is the greater community. D. 75. Lifestyle, correct answer is way of life. B. Tol ladep untuk English ladep shispa san phomak te saprasang katno hiyo naka shispa san phomak ya pule bha target katno bapin score naka English maybe shispa ma ai iba khamtrim dekin yo ba shispa tam dai ki khamduna no haka general awareness and aptitude. Okay, in points agne general awareness aptitude each carries 2 marks each kaner umjo shispa san phomak 76. Which of the following rulers issue copper coin name digital? Ini adalah apa? Nomor pule dan pule dengan nomor resya kinete. So the correct answer is C. Idutmush. Which canyon is known as the Grand Canyon of India or the Arizona of India? 77. A. Gandikota Canyon. Then 78. Population dividends mean dividends nang plus that the youthful age structure of a population. D. Youthful age. Which of the given vitamin is a water soluble vitamin? So it is vitamin B. Water soluble vitamin. 80. The Summer Olympics 2020 was hosted by Japan. The Summer Olympic 2024 was hosted by France. Entomology is the science that studies C. Studies insects. The tallest statue in the world, the Statue of Unity, is located near which of the dam? Kanel ada yang nomor B, Sardar Sarawar Dam. Ada yang ada. B. Dan kejaran. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York, is the world's largest railway station. C is the correct answer. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change deal with 84. Can deal with greenhouse gases emission mitigation. Direct answer baik itu number D is the correct answer. The only drone station in Meghalaya is located in drone station jarang nebo Meghalaya. Oh, dan Garo Hill. D is the correct answer. Garo Hills drone station juga benar ya gune. Kada donkam hawan play god. Which of the following countries is not a member of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue QSD or Quad? Correct answer is the United Kingdom. NASA James Webb Space Telescope was launched into space on D. 25 December 2021. 88. The unit of electrical resistance of a conductor is ohm. Hockey was introduced in the Asian Games in 1958 in Tokyo. Okay. Which treaty ended the Anglo-Sikh War? The Treaty of Lahore. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with C. Hockey. Rangaswamy Cup is associated with C. Hockey. Then India's longest bridge, Dhola Sadiya Bridge, was built over which tributary of the Brahmaputra River? Kamen River, Lohit River, Subansari River, Manas River. Kenegaran Sipo Assam. Correct answer is B. Lohit River. Which country launched the world's first nationwide 5G mobile network? 5G mobile network kan di mana? South Korea is the correct answer. Then, who among the following has inaugurated the greatest raw water supply scheme in Meghalaya? What a nero jar one time. Shri Amit Shah one play a greatest raw water supply scheme in Meghalaya. Shri Amit Shah. Turam Tibre. In which year did the good and service tax come into effect in India? GST. 2017. Okay, GST 2017. Okay. Where in the world did the game of lawn tennis originate? Correct answer is A. Birmingham. Who introduced Green Army for Environmental Conservation? C. Australia. Army for Environmental Conservation. The first Pico satellite of India is D is the correct answer. STUDSAT. Okay. 99. The alliance among Brazil, Germany, India, and Japan to support each other bids for permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council (UNSC) is called 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, don't sound. Oh, big 4, then 4, big 4. Okay. So the correct answer is B, G4. G4. Ada madu naik pandai. Shispa. Penjerong baka video. The Miyawaki method is well known for. Miyawaki method. Nerum benara 100. Correct answer is C. Creating mini forests in urban areas. Direct answer. Which state India has the longest coastline? Gujarat. C is has the longest coastline. Who coined the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Maulana Hazrat Mohani. Maulana Hazrat Mohani A. Which is the first bank to introduce ATM in India? C. HSBC. The philosophical study of beliefs and knowledge is better known as D. Epistemology. Which Indian cricketer became the first woman to score a double century in Test cricket? Mithali Raj. B. Who is the author of the book The Little Book of Encouragement? Correct answer is A. Dalai Lama. The state flower of Meghalaya uneta di banang hitrai. Lady Slipper Orchid. Lady Slipper Orchid. General knowledge of Meghalaya. Which space agency launched its first civilian mission to space? SpaceX. Birju Maharaj, who expired on 17 January 2022, was an exponent of which Indian classical dance form? Kathak. C. Kathak. C. Kathak. Which social media platform launched a feature named Tip Jar, which enabled users to send money to their favorite account? Tip Jar. Tip Jar. Oh. Twitter is the correct answer. Which one of the following became the first state to table paperless budget in India? D is the correct answer. Uttar Pradesh. Paperless budget. Uttar Pradesh, huh? Which among the following is the first country to approve Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine? Itu ada India ini. Which one of the following is the first country to approve Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19? Okay, I'm there. Correct answer is B, England. The Parakram Divas is observed to celebrate the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. Which state government developed the world's largest floating solar project on Narmada River? MP, Madhya Pradesh. The National Youth Day is celebrated on National Youth Day, 26 January. C is the correct answer. Where was the first major public appearance of Mahatma Gandhi in India in February 1916? Correct answer is C, inauguration of Banaras Hindu University, BSU. 117. A wound watch spring has touch energy. Potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy. So the correct answer is potential energy. When water freezes, its density decreases. B is the correct answer. A term URL used in internet technology stand for Uniform Remote Locator. Uniform Remote Locator, Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Locator, Unique Resource Locator. Okay, so the correct answer, okay, is D, Uniform Resource Locator. So D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. So adapt 119. 120. India and Sri Lanka are divided by the Gibraltar Strait, Bering Strait, Park Strait, Hormuz Strait. C is the correct answer, Park Strait. Which of the following is correct regarding the gross domestic saving in India? A is the correct answer. Contribution in the household sector is the largest. Gross domestic. Which of the following sports involve animal? A, nick sports kabag involve animal. Jali katu. Take air tip tu. Sangai festival is celebrated in which of the following Indian states? Sangai festival, Manipur. Avani Lekhara became the first Indian woman to win 2 Paralympic medals at the Tokyo Paralympics 2020. Which of the following was her discipline? Avani Lekhara. B, rifle shooting. 125. Chronologically arrange the following Indian origin astronaut on the basis of their flying into space, starting with the first. Okay, so direct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Sirisha Bandla. 125, 126. Nel awan sagabadeki aptitude gumba bahapanda ken kini tela la pimnang man ken daga kam jinjari. So ngan I will direct answer dan kamre ban ya ken man In the line of 45 students, Amit is 10 from the left, N and Mary is 15 from the right end. How many students are between Amit and Mary? So the correct answer is C, 20. Find the smaller angle made by an hour and minute hand at 10:20. Correct answer is B, 117. If Sunita celebrated her wedding anniversary on Tuesday, 30 September 1997, when will she celebrate her next wedding anniversary on the same day? Correct answer is Tuesday, 2003. 4 metal rod of length 78, 104, 117, and 169 are to be cut into part of equal length. Each part must be as long as possible. The maximum number of pieces that can be obtained will be, correct answer is C, 36. Kêu quả bằng page ha, pila bằng post bahasa persiang ban Kenya ne practice ha. Kini ruk one bed Meghalaya police one hanonor one the series don bed. In the series given below a number missing, find the missing number. Phép what missing number hangne kane kadon laka process ba pen Kenya. Te giba nang ban practice ban Kenya ka easy ba ne. So the correct answer hangne kadai question number B, 57. 31 row easy giba nang ban Kenya kamsuk higane in the string code E, grade 5, hotel, school 12. And how will the word lamb will be represented? So the correct answer is B, 7. Then pointing to a man in a photograph, Nisha said, he is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man in the photograph related to Nisha? Correct answer is A, son. Sa perkhat bahi ini gede aptitude singkali tagadaw kadon kamanda perkhat ba. A tourist cover half of their journey by train at 60 km per hour, half the remainder by bus at 30 km per hour, and the rest by cycle at 10 km per hour. The average speed of the tourist during the journey is C, 24 km per hour. Kene habanda Kenya habanda perkhat ba. Dan kami tangga jeng praktis, jadi bila praktis tega kila hi ban yo. In a setting code 250 kan ero kamsuk kamela hi nambak shimpor daklan practice kan kam shimpor man perkhan. 250 mean books are all, 546 means man is all, and 378 mean buys good book. What stand for are in that code? Kan ero I direct answer. Correct answer is B2. R D2. Teka turu haban ya compare tu ya nang hi tharai. Nanti you compare mode 2 means books are all. Books are all. Mean man is all. Man is all. 5 they all. Then buy good books. Books sang ne hap nang tama wan page. Then books sang te datang 3. The books day 3. The baca ang te day wait tang wa utu 2 day R. So 2 is the correct answer. Hap you compare kom ta gan. Hakane ban kong 250 mean books are all. Te pia compare with R means man is all done. The number ba kaju day 5. So 5 is the all. And 1 akan number compare sa kabalay bade. 378 buys good books. Te hang te jrong don books and don books. So number ba kaju day 3. So 3 are correct. So baca nang te unde ba tang 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Kada kiba practice te ki yanang hi kiba amlen 135. 5 friends are sitting on a bench. A is to the left of B but on the right of C. D is to the right of B but on the left of E, who are sitting at the extreme of the bench. So I direct correct answer with C or D, C and E. The correct answer is D, C and E. So dan kam man perkhat hi pause dan kam man perkhat hi bade. A and B start walking from the same point. A goes north and cover 3 km, then turns right and cover 4 km. B turn goes west and cover 5 km and then turn right and cover 3 km. How far apart are they from each other? Correct answer is B, 9 km. 137. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are sitting around a circle facing center. H is first to the left of B and second to the right of F. A is third to the left of C, is not an immediate neighbor of F. G is second to the left of A. D is second to the right of E, who is on the immediate right of F. And the correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Direct answer. Right. Find the wrong number in the following number series. Find the wrong number in the following number series. What is number of Bakala? Hakanega series. So the correct answer is B, 194. Ngamnon kamera ban explain. 139. Find the wrong number in the following number series: 21, 21, 30, 37, 55, 8, 51, 31, 197. So the correct answer is D. 30 is the correct answer. The sum of the ages of the daughter and mother is 56 years. After 4 years, the age of the daughter will be 3 times the age of the daughter. What is the age of the daughter and mother respectively? The correct answer is C. 12 years and 44 years. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Ronald. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronald's age. After another 16 years, how many times would he be of Ronald's age? So the correct answer is A. 2 times. 141, 142. A total of 3 to 4 notes comprising of 20 and 50 denomination makes a sum of 12450. The total number of 20 note is, correct answer is D. 125. Select the correct combination of mathematical sign to replace star sign and to balance the following equation. Kaner ka bakham sup ha te tang ba practice makan simpor ban yu tang ba ki ba melin dikin khamnang bhai kaneru khamsuk mar to replace tang ki sign. Select the correct combination of mathematical sign to replace star sign and to balance the following equation. We have replaced yekine ki star sign ta balance yekine equation ban yu bai phra te banang wan khen kan simpor hi ma banang wan khen kan mi bet kan answer. So an I ka direct answer ang ne correct answer is C. Te saat ikine you divide te multiply by r plus balai then pinsa yo ya ka correct answer kan de phra. 144. Johnny walks 25 meter towards south, then he turned to his left and walks 20 meter. He then turned to his left and walked 25 meter. He again turned to his right and walked 15 meter. At what distance is he from his starting point and in which direction? The correct answer is A. 35 meter is. Kanjrong baga number 145. Given below are two statements. In an arithmetic statement followed by two conclusions, you have to consider a statement to be true even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known fact. Decide which of the following conclusion logically follow from the given statement. Statement 1. Health insurance in India are caters only to rich. Health insurance sector should be regularized. Conclusion. Health insurance sector should be nationalized. Health insurance is not required for the poor. Option A, B and C. The correct answer is direct way. Number B. Only conclusion ones follow. And Kaju 146. Given below are three statements followed by two conclusions. You have to consider a statement. You have to consider a statement. Makanya conclusion a statement to be true even if they seem to be at a variance from common in facts. Decide which of the following conclusion logically form the given statement. All shoes are pen. Some pens are razor. Some razor are dash. Conclusion. Some dash are shoes. Some razor are shoes. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is 6 C. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Kimia follows away. So neither conclusion 1 and 2 follows. So C is the correct answer. 147. Danny introduced Wilborn as the son of the only brother of his father's wife. How is Wilborn related to Danny? So either way, correct answer is A, cousin. And then select the related letters from the given alternatives. B, small bc, C, B, capital B, then L, small l, M. So ada yang tu. So the correct answer will be have compare nama apa? Have compare kembalangkan menikang W capital artli small, W small artli capital. Hangner ko W capital R small. Ta hangner ko jo mood ba W small artli capital. To D M capital LL. Nanka hapit ba tu kalau ni hap nang khat ba pemlen defend salah. So correct answer is D M capital L. 149. If 1st January is the Friday, then what is the first day of the month of March in a leap year? Direct answer 49. Correct answer is A, Tuesday. So the last question. Which is the smallest in values among the following numbers? Smallest value number ba read to naginema 250, 2 to the power 250, 3 to the power 150, 5 to the power 100, 4 to the power 200. A naginegi ba read tam. So near multiply nong he like san po nong he power barit ba ne power barit ta hangne na correct answer is C 5 to the power 100. Marba power urit number he tang bandal multiply te kunang hamrit hi bani kite ki ba he power mar he power kanang multiply nang double so C is the correct answer. Baro long shis pa san po tali question long lies pa marks teta kumno da khamsuk answer moda around 250 pin yo qualify la da cross ya ka aspasan po shanang tama ka shongat kum gipor dan gipor baka easy question dan gipor ka ba te tama 200 plus tahap cross batch ban yo qualify maka depend on the number of vacancy ada ka vacancy ka bun te got ba ka cut off ro kan kham here la ka vacancy ka duna ka cut off ro kan kham hai te kan ne ka long tangkom kan nuksa ban pen I kinde ki ban sang thamai ki ba kwa question paper te ngala pen I ngai shu ai ki ka question rengkat bat ki answer ba ka badei te teres phaban check ma phi phaban pule ma phi phaban soft ma phi abai dei bat ban khen ban abai bro te tangkat ne hi thrai la yarap ik tu ki ban kam khle shubane